Here's what I've got from Shopee. I have bought extra parts of this screw since I always forgot one and loses one. So just for a replacement for some missing items or screws, I have bought one for future use. And for this, on my shipment that I ordered from them, they have given me a free glue. This is an adhesive where you can use for LCDs and actually anything else that this can be applied to. As well as they have included screws for me to use to open the device, and it's really good. This is the shop that I have ordered this from. I'll be putting the link below or send you the screenshot. And so here's the old one. I have replaced this with the new back casing since um, the backs or the bottom pentalobe screw are not or I'm not able to get them out, so I was forced to crack open the front LCD, but it's fine since the LCD was already damaged. It's not working as it should be, so we're gonna be buying a new one. So here is it. It's an original one from Apple. This is a very good one, but look at the new one. It's sort of the same quality, so we could not really distinguish what's the real one and the counterfeit within these 2 years. So it's a really good bargain for the price. We are transferring these parts of this iPhone 6 since we had a broken screen, so we're gonna transfer this over to this new one that we bought from Shopee, and let's hope this will work out just fine. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we have the new and replaced iPhone 6 back case. It's brand new from Shopee. Only cost me about 550 pesos, um, including the shipping since there is a promo when I ordered this item. And so here is it. It's good. Everything is intact. Everything is in place, and I'm gonna be trying this with a new LCD as soon as I bought one later on. Stay tuned for the following video.